Located at the top of the terrain and leaving the surrounding nature intact by opening views to the mountains, the Las Golondrinas house emerges with minimalist geometries. The house was designed for a large family and to accommodate guests, aiming to prioritize privacy and views. Although it appears as a single entity, the house is organized into 3 independent volumes under the same sloped roof, with each serving a programmatic function. One block contains the bedrooms, another the social area, and another the kitchen and services. Designed by the architecture firm PPAA, the house is located in the city of Valle de Bravo, in Peña Blanca, State of Mexico. The space between the 3 volumes generates a covered terrace that connects the entire house and becomes a social gathering space. Inside the house, white walls, gray marble, and white oak wood create intentional contrast between the interior and exterior. Communication between the volumes is achieved through covered and semi-open corridors, which also function as covered terraces in each part and as a transitional space between the interior and exterior. The house received a matte black coating called Korev Muth, so as not to overshadow its lush surroundings. The decision for the black color was to maintain nature as the main protagonist of the entire image and to make the house an elegant element in the context. The broad facades of the house are punctuated with windows that convey the depth of the exterior walls, exaggerating the solidity of the volumes. The window frames and shutters are made of tropical tzalam wood coated in sealer that gives a reddish tone. In the bedroom volume, the side walls are angled so that each room gradually increases in size. The unusual shape also creates a triangular hallway outside the bedrooms, flanked by windows with wooden frames offering views to the garden. The covered lounge area opens up to the swimming pool that runs along the rear of the house.